Imagine a world where opening a bank account is as easy as signing in a social media account, where financial services are no longer a privilege but a right, and where a bold vision transforms millions of lives. Welcome to the inspiring journey of South Africa's Tyme Group, a company that redefined what it means to bank in the modern world, from its humble beginning to becoming a 1.5 billion unicorn. Tyme's story is one of innovation, resilience, and groundbreaking success. In this video, we will uncover how the digital banking pioneer used technology, strategic partnerships, and a relentless drive for inclusion to reshape the financial space, not just in South Africa, but across the globe. Stay tuned and let's begin. The story of Tyme Group begins with an ambition to redefine banking for the modern era. Launched in South Africa, a country with significant barriers to traditional banking access, Tyme recognized the untapped potential within underserved communities. The group's vision was to create an inclusive financial ecosystem that leveraged digital innovation while simplifying banking for customers. Tyme Bank, a subsidiary of Tyme Group, emerged as a key player of this strategy. Established with a focus of providing low-cost, accessible banking services, Tyme Bank was designed to cater to individuals traditionally excluded from financial systems. Its model was centered on convenience, using partnerships and technology to reach millions. This inclusive approach was vital in South Africa, where a large percentage of the population remain unbanked or underbanked. Tyme Bank's digital platform eliminated many of the logistical and financial hurdles of traditional banking, including paperwork and branch visits. Customers could easily open accounts through self-service kiosks in retail stores or through an online interface, setting the stage for exponential growth. This was just a pace setter for something even bigger. Tyme Bank's strategy relied heavily on technological innovations that emphasized simplicity and user experience. The bank introduced kiosks that allowed customers to open accounts within 5 minutes using only their identification and a biometric fingerprint scan. These kiosks, often placed in retail stores, eliminated the need for traditional bank branches and made banking accessible to rural and semi-rural areas. A standout feature of Tyme Bank was its smart app, which provided customers with intuitive financial management tools. The app offered features like transaction tracking, budgeting, and instant transfers, aligning perfectly with the needs of the tech-savvy but underserved segment of the market. Tyme Bank's infrastructure was entirely cloud-based, allowing it to operate at a fraction of the cost of traditional banks. This low-cost model enabled the bank to offer highly competitive interest rates and transaction fees, further attracting customers. Tyme Bank's success was accelerated through strategic partnerships, which were instrumental in its rapid scaling. The bank collaborated with local retail giants such as Pick n Pay and Boxer, leveraging their expansive networks to install kiosks and provide banking services. These partnerships not only reduced customer acquisition costs, but also extended Tyme Bank's reach into rural and underserved areas. Another significant factor was the backing of influential investors. The group attracted high-profile stakeholders like Patrice Motsepe, a renowned South African billionaire. This support provided Tyme Bank with credibility and access to resources necessary for expansion. In addition, Tyme Bank's partnership with international investors from regions like Southeast Asia facilitated knowledge exchange and funding. This collaboration was particularly important during its Series D funding round, where the group raised $250 million, pushing its valuation to $1.5 billion. The turning point for Tyme Group came with its successful Series D funding round, securing $250 million from a combination of existing and new investors. Tyme Group officially joined the ranks of financial technology unicorns. This significant milestone was driven by the bank's robust performance metric, including a growing customer base and consistent revenue generation. Investors were drawn to Tyme Bank's strong value proposition, a scalable digital-first bank model that could be replicated in emerging markets globally. The funding round also highlighted the increasing investor confidence in Africa's fintech landscape, where companies like Tyme Group are setting new benchmarks. The $1.5 billion valuation marked Tyme Group's recognition as a market leader in digital banking, not just in South Africa, but across emerging markets. The funds raised were earmarked for international expansion, product development, and further scaling of its technological infrastructure. They had conquered South Africa, establishing themselves as a dominant player on the whole continent of Africa. It was time to move beyond. Tyme Group began to look beyond South Africa. Recognizing similar challenges in other emerging markets, the group explored opportunities in Southeast Asia, a region with a large unbanked population. Through its subsidiary GoTyme in the Philippines, the group replicated its digital-first approach with modification tailored to local contexts. The Tyme Group's future lies in the ability to adapt and innovate. With plans to introduce advanced AI-driven financial tools, expand its product portfolio, and deepen its presence in existing markets, Tyme is poised to become the global leader in digital banking. The company aims to serve as a blueprint for inclusive banking models worldwide, especially in regions where financial inclusion remains a challenge. Tyme Group's journey offers valuable lessons for the global fintech industry. Its focus on simplicity, accessibility, and partnerships underscores the importance of customer-centric innovation. The group's success demonstrates that fintechs can achieve profitability while addressing social and economic disparities. Furthermore, Tyme's rise signals a broader trend of increased investment in Africa's tech ecosystem. With its robust model and growing investor interest, Tyme has paved the way for other fintechs to thrive in untapped markets. South Africa's Tyme Group represents the transformative power of fintechs in driving financial inclusion and economic growth. By leveraging technology and innovative partnerships, the group has not only achieved unicorn status, but also set a precedent for digital banking globally. As Tyme Group continues to expand its footprint, its story remains a proof to the potential of technology to bridge gaps and create more inclusive financial future. The group's journey from a local player to a global unicorn is not just a milestone for South Africa, but also a beacon of hope for emerging markets around the world. Thank you for making it to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, kindly subscribe for more.